Mayanja Bogedde Mayanja Bogedde Ebigambo Byebasembayo Okwogera Naye. I remember last year at another WhatsApp, Nangamba Hedge, Sukula Nakona Tokyo for 2019. And we was at the launch, Nangamba was a working for my children. The bus is very good, but they have an embassy away. Yagalamba Poliki, Jagalamba Poliki. I hustle because of you guys. When I'm going to pass, and that's what I'm going to say, thank you, that will not be so much. Jimania told me that to Nagara. That was the peace, shall always love you, Mr. Mayanja Humphrey.
Hello everyone, thank you for coming today. My name is Mayanja. I am the firstborn child. I'm from Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Habibi, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. Daddy loved all of us. Daddy made sure we never lacked. Daddy always provided. Daddy was my best friend. He was my friend. There was nothing I couldn't tell my father. Even during the last moments, nothing. I remember vividly the Sunday. Sunday, again I'm trying to Thursday, but Sunday again they were coming mulaba. Nangamba, go nidila, labika bulungi. And we joked, and that was the last good memory I remember because Modwa Lilo, there in so much pain. Ngatayagala kulia, akoye, kakakamba akoye, mundeke. Nangamba that you have to fight, you have to fight. And he kept asking, but what for? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said. But I would like to thank these friends because we are the first time Uncle P Nangamba, Uncle Pius Nangamba, creating a WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. Now number, I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but when we created there were over 200 people that have been helping, they have been sending money, they have been sending things, food, they have really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Aliu. Daddy in the States, one of the Twalieno, but Daddy Yali, Kabulwate, Kakola Kimo, and Yalimu by the Shamira Yamlavila. Shamira, thank you so much. I can't wait for you to come. Wherever you know, wherever you did that.